Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can transfer the ownership of a repository on GitHub to someone else in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to your repository on GitHub, click into settings here. And after that, switch to the general tab. And here guys, scroll down. And here you will see that button transfer next to transfer ownership. So you can use this here. And this new owner will then have the opportunity to create repositories. And that's basically it. Click into transfer here. And after that, go through that new ownership menu here. For example, choose an owner. Enter the username of the given owner here. So let me, for example, go, well, I can't transfer it to myself, so I will leave it at that. But in the final step, guys, they will ask you here on GitHub to type in the exact name of your repository here. You can't copy paste it. You need to type it in, the exact name. And after that, confirm by clicking into this button. And that's basically it. Just remember that transferring the repository may take up some time because the new owner needs to approve the transfer. So you will need to have to wait for that. And that's basically it. Now I'm not going to do this because I would like to keep that repository. So I click into that button here, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.